नमस्ते बेटियाओं, हमेशा खुश रहिए बेटियाओं। I, Reverend Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University welcomes you all on the digital version 2.0. Today is the topic principle of prescriptions. The word prescription is derived from the Latin word prescripto, where pre means before and scribo means write. The prescription means a written direction given by a physician to his compounder or any pharmacist for preparing a remedy for his patient, which is the most appropriate as considered by the attending physicians. Body of prescription. The body of prescription may be divided into the following four parts: superscription, second inscription, third subscription, and fourth signature. So, we study the detail of superscription. In the heading consisting of the name and address of the patient placed at the top, the word from may be written before the name and address of the patient. Second point, age and sex written below the name and address. Uh, Third point, the symbol RX, it is stand for the Latin word receive, take dose of, which means to take. The oblique dash across R is probably a relic of the symbol of RX that represented a prayer of Jupiter. Inscription. This part forms the main part of the prescription. This part contains the name of the remedy, potency, and its quantity. Also the vehicle with its required quantity. Subscription. It includes the direction or instruction to a compounder or dispenser as how he should dispense the remedy. That is the way of combining and dispensing. Signature. It contains the direction which are given to the patient as how he will take the remedy. The instruction should be short, simple, to the point. This includes how to eat, use the medicine, when to the comes for a follow-up, any advice regarding diet, any precaution, lab examination, etc. Signature of the patient, physician with the date and registration number, which is obtained from the Central Council of Homeopathy. It is valuable document and must be properly written and must be preserved by the pharmacist, compounder, or the patient after it has been served. However, according to some author, a model prescription is divided into 6 parts: the superscription or heading, the name of the patient, the inscription, the name and quantity of ingredients. Fourth point, the subscription, direction to the compounder. And fifth, the sigma, the direction to the patient. And sixth point is the signature of the physician, date and registration number. Characteristic of an ideal prescription. First point, the norms, the means, the rules of a pattern is very important in a prescription. A prescription should be written in a set order, that is the superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. Form. A prescription may write in either simple English or in Latin. Simple forms of prescription are now generally popular amongst the physicians. Legibility. The writing of prescription should be such that a compounder face no difficulty while reading the prescription. Accuracy. The prescription should accurately describe the remedy, potency, dose, and time of administration. While writing a prescription, observe the following points. Begin each line with a capital letter. Write the name of the medicine first and then the vehicle. Use Latin name the medicine. Direction to the dispenser should also be in Latin. The direction of the patient should be given in common language. The dispenser must also write the direction on the label of medicine either in English or in vernacular of the place. When in doubt, make sure to always write in English. The dispenser must be understand the meaning of expression used. Read the prescription once before handing it over. Format of prescription. Firstly, for name of the patient, address of the patient, age and sex. That is the part of superscription. And In inscription, Rx, medicine, potency, dose, vehicle. In subscription, direction of the preparation, quantity of medicine, and uh, signature. In signature of the part, direction of to the patient, signature of the physician, name of the physician, date of the prescription, registration number. Thank you so much.